God made us good. God made you good. Yes, kahit yung pinakaiinasan mong tao or politiko, mabuti yan. No? Sa kaibuturan ng ating puso, ginawa tayo ng Diyos na mabuti. Good morning, Yesland family! Welcome to Monday Motivation, where we share the Word of God and short stories that may hopefully inspire, motivate, or help you this coming week. My name is Broker Nikki, and I'm one of the mini brokers dito sa Yesland. So I have been in the people business for the past 20 years. Dalawang dekada na pala, no? Na nasa recruitment, nasa leadership, no? You recruit or invite people, and lagi yan pag one-on-one. I've talked to hundreds of people na one-on-one, asking them why do they do what they do? Para kanino sila bumabangon? Ano yung mga pangarap nila? And lahat naman ang sasabihin, we want a nicer home, we want to help our family, have a comfortable car, travel, investment, savings, yan. Pero ang pinaka naa-amaze ako, no, over the years, natutuwa ako sa puso ng tao kasi yung human nature na tumulong, pangarap nila na makatulong hindi lang sa pamilya kundi sa kapwa, sa mga nangangailangan, sa community, and marami nangangarap makapag-donate sa mga charities, magkaroon in the future ng sarili nilang foundation, may mga ganon. And nakikita natin, no, sa mga sakuna, pag may mga crisis, especially in the Philippines, ang daming bagyo, di ba? Kitang-kita yan na nagtutulungan yung bayanihan nung pandemic din, nagtutulungan ng mga tao, hindi lang yung mga mayayaman, pati yung mga kababayan natin na kapos, yung mahihirap, they give their time, no, some volunteer. Ang gandang tignan, and it gives us hope na talagang mabuti ang mga tao. And dito sa Yesland, we've been doing regular outreach programs since 2016. So magsasampung taon na. And the reason why successful lagi ang outreach programs natin, it's because of the hearts, the generosity of our Yesland members. Thank you sa mga laging nag-volunteer. No? Some give their time, they volunteer. Sumasama sila sa amin sa mga outreach programs. Medyo malayo na yung mga narating natin. And some donate, no? Tumutulong, nagdo-donate ng mga pangangailangan sa mga schools, sa mga home for the abandoned elderly, sa street gift giving. And recently, meron tayong mga outreach programs even sa kulungan. Grabe. Pagka kinakausap natin yung mga nakulong, kasi sila dito lang sa area, no, city jail dito malapit sa atin, nagsisisi sila, and pag tinanong mo talaga, nagkasala, nagkamali, yung iba nagnakaw, nagdroga, pag tinanong mo kung bakit nila yung ginawa, aside from poverty, they wanna help their family daw, walang makain, ganun. So, nakakalungkot, no? Pero we're here to give them hope, to share the word of God, at God's mercy, hopefully, na ma-turn around yung buhay nila. Pero kung titignan mo, mabuti talaga lahat ng tao. So, i-affirm natin ang bawat isa, and i-remind lang natin, no, that God made me good. Yan. Sabihin nga natin, sige, i-chat natin, God made me good. Yan. God made me good. And it's a good reminder dahil nandito pa rin tayo sa beautiful season of Lent, where we are encouraged to pray, to fast, and to give, no? It's a good reminder na from Hebrews 13 verse 16, yan, Hebrews 13 verse 16, beautiful reminder, don't forget to do good and to share with those in need. These are the sacrifices that please God. Grabe, di ba? Ang gandang reminder. Don't forget to do good and share to those in need. These are the sacrifices that please God. So, huwag natin kalimutan, hindi lang ngayong Lent season, no? Kasi Lent is all about love. Di ba? Prayer is loving God. Fasting is loving ourselves, and almsgiving is loving others. So hindi lang during Lent, maging lifestyle sana natin to just share our time. You can share your talent, at pag may extra, yung treasure, to share it with those in need, no? Sa mga nasa paligid natin na nilagay ni Lord. And ang gandang reminder sa atin ngayon, the goodness of God and our own goodness, and we share it to others. So, I hope, no, meron tayo na-remind tayo ng something ngayong week na ito. And we'll see you again next week for our Monday motivation. Keep on loving, guys!